Hi everyone, today we're going to talk about personal wholesale pricing. So we're going to cover what exactly is personal wholesale pricing, when to implement it, and how you can implement it on your store. Right, so this is a typical product page. Okay, so I want you to take note of this price here, 600 ringgit. Now look what happens when I log into the store. Okay, I'm going to use a test account on this test store here. Right, okay, let's hope I get the login details correct. Okay, I'm in. Okay, now look at the price, 550. Now what just happened here? Okay, so when a customer browses your store, they see the default product price. Okay, this is known as price level 0. Okay, it's the default price. Without logging in and without being assigned a price level, customers will see this price. Now I have logged in and I have been assigned to a particular price level. Okay, so at that price level I enjoy this discounted price. Okay, perhaps as a reward for being a long time customer. I could also be a stockist, but truth be told, if I'm a stockist, I would want a bigger discount. So perhaps if I were to be a stockist, the merchant would assign me to another price level, whereby I would enjoy an even bigger discount, because stockists, they actually resellers, they resell your product, so they would want a bigger margin, a larger margin. All right, so perhaps 400 ringgit. When they log in, they will see that. Okay, so the rule is the customer must log in and be assigned a price level, right? And only then they can enjoy the discounted prices. Okay, so let's look into that. Now I'm going to show you how to set up personal wholesale pricing for your store. So as usual, the first thing you got to do is log into your store, right? Click the products link, scroll down a bit and click the wholesale link. Now you'll be greeted by 3 options. Click the first one. Okay, select the first one, personal wholesale pricing, and you will see an option to charge membership. Now if you feel that the discounts offered with this feature is substantial, okay, quite hefty, you might want to charge membership for it. All right, you might want to charge membership, and there are 9 membership types to choose from. So if you do select this, okay, the instructions are pretty straightforward. Okay, but for this example here, I'm not going to charge membership. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click continue. All right, so on the next page you will see an option, all right, to ask questions, because if you do charge membership, you probably want to ask just potential members some questions, because you may not want to offer membership to just anybody, especially if the savings is substantial. All right, and also you want to have explanation page and an agreement page, because remember, you'll be receiving membership fees. Okay, so you might want to include this. Okay, next we're going to click continue. Okay, then go ahead and click products. Okay, go to manage products, select a product. I'm going to select this one. I've already set this one up. Okay, and then click modify wholesale. Just click this link here. Okay, scroll down a bit and you'll see the product prices. So when a customer has not logged in, okay, lands on the product page, the customer will see this price. Okay, this is price 0, the default price. So if a customer is a registered customer, okay, and you have assigned that customer a price level, for example, price level 1. Now remember the example just now, after logging in, I see 550 instead of 600. So I have been assigned price level 1. Okay, so perhaps I could be a stockist. Okay, or you could assign your stockist maybe a few different levels of stockist also. Say some you can assign to price level 2, then they'll see 500. Okay, there's a 100 ringgit discount. And another level of stockists, okay, maybe these are the ones that buy even more from you. Okay, right, instead of monthly, maybe they buy weekly. Okay, so, and they buy quite in abundance, so you give them a bigger discount. So you sign them to price level 3, and when they log in, they'll see 450 as the price. Okay, so the next thing you got to do is scroll down, okay, and just click, okay, to show products only to customers with these price levels. Okay, right, so I'm going to select 0 also, that means all customers, okay, and also these ones here, okay, because you can omit some if you want to. All right, okay, I'm going to click modify product. Okay, now next bring your attention to this. You're going to go to products, manage products again. Just repeat the process a bit. Now you can also set your price levels here at the options. Just now, where let's go back here just so you won't be so confused. Now, just now these price levels here, all right, are blanket prices. So if you have options, right? If you have options, this will apply to all your options, different sizes, different colors, and so on. But sometimes your options require different discounts. For example, say you have 3 options and 3 color options for this particular product, right? And 2 of your options sell quite well, but your third option does not. So your third option, you might want to offer an even larger discount, a heftier discount, so to help you push that product. Okay, in that case, you want to leave this as 0. Okay, leave this as 0, and you go to individual options. Individual options, I'm going to show you here. Click the pencil or the edit icon, right? And click edit, and you can enter the wholesale prices here. Okay, specifically, so in this case you got the 3 price levels, then you enter it here. If you enter, like say 550 just now in that blanket pricing, and you enter 550 here, it will add on, because it's like an additional price, right? So you'll add on to the pricing, so you don't want to do that, right? So you want to leave that as 0 and enter the pricing here. If not, you'll just add on. It will be double the prices. It will be 550 plus 550, that's 1,100. Okay, so here you can individually set, you can edit each option. So the one that does not sell as well as the other 2, you can give it a heftier discount. All right, so that's how to do it. So you can use this as a tool, also as a tool to push slower moving products. Okay, so once this is done, go ahead and click modify product. Now I'm going to show you how to assign price levels to your customers. Okay, so go ahead and click customers followed by manage customers. Now the quickest way to change the price level is to go to the price level column right here. Okay, so next to the customer you like to edit or modify, just click the pen icon and then select the price level you'd like to assign that customer, right? So I'm going to click 2 here, click save. Now that's the fastest way, all right? And then click publish and you're done. Okay, so the next way is to just check the box next to the customer you like to edit, scroll down, click modify customer, right? And then there's a price level section right here, current price level. Remember, we changed it from 1 to 2. Okay, so I'm going to change to 3, right? Click update, right? And before I publish, I like to go to the products again, just to confirm what kind of discounts we should expect. Okay, right? So this is the product we used just now, right? And I'm going to scroll down. So by default, price level 0 is 600. That's what everybody sees when they do not log in. So earlier we've set it to price level 1, which was 550. Price level 2, remember we made that temporary change, 500, and now price level 3 is at 450. So it's 150 ringgit savings there, right? Quite worthwhile actually. All right, so let's go to the product. So this is the product not logged in. We see price level 0. The default price is 600. Okay, so I'm going to log in. Okay, so log in, right? Let's go to the product, the particular particular product. We can see it here already, right? See, 450. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Goodbye.